Tap Dash Cam to enter the recording screen. Press the record button to pause recording, start recording. Follow the photo button to take a picture with the front and rear lenses. Press the lock button to lock the current video. Press the microphone button to switch on the microphone. Press the toggle button to switch the lens screen mode. Press the callback button to view the stored video. Tap the image to view the photo. Tap the lock picture button to view the emergency video. Tap Settings to enter the video setting interface. Line controller, short press the red button to lock the video for emergency recording. Line controller, short press the red key to lock the video for emergency recording. Press and hold the two red keys to lock the touch screen. Long press both red keys to unlock the touch screen. Tap the last icon to return to the main menu. Lower left corner adjusts screen brightness. Lower right corner adjusts host volume. Tap the CarPlay icon to view the connection information. Tap GPS information to enter the GPS interface. Tap Dashboard icon to enter the dashboard interface. Tap Playback icon to browse the contents of the memory card. Tap Settings icon to enter the System Settings page. A variety of settings can be selected. Tap Bluetooth icon to check Bluetooth status. Find Mobile Connect in Settings, select the mobile device. Find the option for phone configuration to select. Tap the CarPlay icon to view the connection information. Turn on your mobile phone's Bluetooth and find the Bluetooth at the beginning of CS5 DVR to connect and pair. Press the phone prompt to select OK to connect to in-car mode. When the mobile phone is connected to the in-car mode, the screen will automatically cast the screen display. Search for Visual on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Visto CS5. Enter the number to connect to Wi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. You can switch between different camera images, pause recording, take photos. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the wired controller cannot be operated. Click on the icon in the bottom left corner to enter the storage page, and you can switch to the video files of corresponding camera according to your needs. Click on the bottom right corner to enter the settings page, where you can make corresponding settings according to your needs.